Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to take registry backup and restore via GUI and command line. Before going to the video, I will explain what is registry. Registry is a database of information, settings, options and other values of software and hardware installed on all versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. When a program is installed, a new subkey is created in the registry. This subkey contains settings specific to that program, such as its location, version and primary executable. Why do we need to take registry backup? If we are going to change the key values of OS related configuration or change the app related key values without take full registry backup, or if you modified the key values unfortunately from registry, after reboot the system the OS will not boot or corrupt. That's why we need to take registry backup. I would suggest you before change any configuration in the registry, take full or branch backup, depends on your requirement. Let's go to the demo. You search the registry in start menu, just type the registry. So you will see registry editor. Click on the registry editor. So as you can see, multiple folder is there. Class root, current user, local machine, users, current config. These are the branch folder of registry. So in my case, I choose the current user, second folder, control panel, desktop. So you will see multiple key values, sub key values mentioned here. So I choose randomly. So first one I chose the cool switch columns, cool switch rows. Third one is drag height, drag width. Then left to overlap just. So I will take this folder backup, branch folder. Just click on the file, choose export. So it will ask where need to be saved the file location. I choose desktop location, just to give any file name. So I entered a reg backup. So before saving file, you need to validate which file format you will need to save. .reg. So you will see that two option in under export range, all selected branch. If you want take full backup of registry, select all, or if you want a particular branch folder, then you choose selected branch. So in my case, I choose the selected branch. Click on save. So the backup is completed in desktop location. So we need to check the backup in desktop. Just type desktop in start menu. Click on desktop. So as you can see that reg backup is completed. So we need to validate the file size. Just right click on the file size properties. The size is 14.3 KB. Okay, click on OK. So I change the key values now. So by default the key value is 7. So I given 10. Again the cool switch by default value is 3. So change it is 10. So drag height is default value is 4. So I changed it 10. Again the drag width default key value is 4. I changed it 10. The last one is left to overlap charts. The value is 3. So I given 10. Click on OK. Okay. Then we need to import the registry backup. We already taken, right? Let's see the old value is reverted or not. So again go to the file, import, click on the import. Click on the destination backup location. Just to click on select the registry backup file. Click on open. So you can see that message, the keys and values contained in the C users Senthil desktop reg backup have been successfully and added to the registry. That means the registry backup is imported successfully without any problem. So now we need to check the old key values is there. So we will see that the same values already before taking the backup, right? So that the same value is reverted already successfully. So this is the way to take a registry backup and restore via GUI. Let's move on the command line. So you need to just type command in search menu, run as administrator. So click on the command, open as run as administrator. The registry location is by default C Windows System 32 config. Config folder is the system configuration folder. As you can see that multiple file is there: SAM, security, software, system, drivers, default. These are the system configuration files located in C drive, Windows System 32 config folder. So in my case, I created one empty folder in E drive. So the command is mkdir config backup. So I created one empty folder. The name is config backup. So again go to the back, the cd space dot dot, that is 2 step backward in parent directory. The command is, if you want a full backup of registry, then you give the command like copy source location, destination location. The command is copy C config folder, then E : destination folder. So already I am located in current directory. That's what I given config folder without a full path. So you will see that 4 files is copied, but few files is already in process, is to be another process. So then you leave the message. Then we need to check that 4 files is copied in the destination folder. Yeah, some few files are copied: drivers, elam, BCD templates, components. These 4 files are copied from source to destination location. So I need to check the registry. The command is regedit. So regedit is the command is opening of registry. So these are the branch folder, as I already said, class root, class user, local machine users. If you want take particular branch folder for backup, then the given command like reg export hk. If you want any one of the branch folder, then you can give the name hkcr. Hkcr means hkey classes root. That's why I given the shortcut h. Then give the destination folder, but don't forget the given file name .reg format /y. hk is nothing but a handle key or hotkey or hive key. This is the name shortcut of hkey. Okay, it will take time to complete the backup because it depends on the key values of registry. Okay, it's completed. The operation is completed successfully. So again, one more time I will take the backup. This time I will take backup local machine. The same command will repeat, but I will replace hkcr, replace hklm. That means hk local machine. Just enter the command. Again, it will take to complete the time. Okay, the operation completed successfully. Now then we need to check the destination folder. The backup file is the completed or not. Go to the E drive. The config folder already allocated. see that hkcr.reg, hklm.reg, the two file is backup completed. So this is the way to take a backup of command line particular branch folder, or if you want take full backup, then give the copy command from from source to destination. The full backup of registry will copy, then paste it in destination location. Okay, if you want to restore the this configuration file full backup of registry or branch folder, then you can boot this OS into recovery mode, that is system OS disk boot mode. So when you repairing the system, right, so the system recovery disk, during that OS booting you can boot the repair mode, then select the advanced option troubleshoot, then open the command prompt, then you can enter the destination path of registry backup. So then only you can restore the files of from the destination to source. So the command is copy star dot star, then destination folder. Star dot star means the copy all the files from source to destination. So this is the command to restore. But now I can't do this because the system is in normal mode. So when you're rebooting the system, so you can boot the system recovery mode, or you can attach the ISO OS attach in repair mode. So during the troubleshoot option, you can restore the this command. Using this command, you can restore the registry. So if you want to use copy command or scopy, the command is scopy star dot star, that means source file and destination location. So after this command enter, then you copy the destination files will copy from source folder, that means C Windows System 32 config folder will replace. It will ask the file is already existing, then given the yes for all the files. That's all about take the backup of registry. Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe for more videos and see you in another video. Bye guys.